best gaming PC build with latest RTX 4060 Ti for under $700. Let's get started. So at first, for the processor, my pick is AMD Ryzen 5 5600. This one cost only $129, and the reason for choosing this processor is in this budget, this is the ultimate processor that you can get. In similar budget, if you go with Intel, you will only get 4 cores and 8 threads, while with this processor, you are going to get 6 cores and 12 threads, which is an excellent plus point. And also, this processor comes with 4.4 GHz boost clock speed, which will give you maximum performance while gaming. Then for the motherboard, our pick is Gigabyte B550M DS3H. This one cost only $107, and this budget motherboard is everything that you need. You will get 4 RAM slot which supports dual channel memory configuration, so your RAMs will be run faster. You will get 2 M2 slot for using 2 M2 SSD. One of them are PCIe Gen 4 supported, which is currently the fastest generation on the market. A small heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. And as this is a latest B550M series motherboard, you can even overclock this processor. So with everything together in this budget, it's an excellent deal. Now comes the heart of our gaming PC build, the graphics card. And in this case, you are using the latest released MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 Ti 8GB graphics card. This one cost only $399. Now this graphics card comes with Nvidia's Loveless architecture, and also if you want to add the latest graphics card in your build, you can use this one. But if you want the best gaming performance, you can also go with some AMD cards. They tends to offer better performance in gaming in similar price. Then for the RAM, our pick is Silicon Power Value Gaming DDR4 16GB RAM. This one cost only $29, and these are the most cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy. And if you use those RAM, they will be running a dual channel memory configuration in this build, so they will perform excellent. Then for storage, our pick is Crucial P3 500GB. It costs only $24, and this is one of the most cheapest SSD that you can buy. But just because it is the cheapest doesn't mean it comes with best performance. It has nearly 3500 Mbps read speed, which will give you enough speed. Then for the power supply, our pick is Thermaltake Tough Power 80 Plus Gold Certified 600W power supply. Now this one cost only $80. Now this is a 80 plus gold certified power supply, also comes with 5-year plus warranty to deliver power safely and get a stable build. And finally, for the casing, it's completely up to you, buy whichever you like, and all those components will cost you around $700 and will give you the best gaming performance out of your money. Thanks for watching.